Hey guys, today I am making a puppet video with my friend Reese, and we're gonna be making it weird but fun, but it can only be 3 minutes long because that's all my thing will do for some reason. So let's go. So we have the water clan, we have the sushi, the evil clan. Okay, let's go, Reese.
Sushi the evil?
No, back. Alright, let's go. What's up, dudes? What's up, my army?
Hello.
Nothing. What do you want? You want to fight? I'll fight you. Oh.
What the heck is going on over here?
Ow! This is Pop-Tart. Hello. Hello, everybody. I don't want to be here. I have stage fright.
You have to be here. We are forcing you against your will.
Go back now. I'm the rock star. He's the pleb. What'd you say?
Actually, no, I'm the main one here.
Shut up already. Well, okay, go. Just go. Take your acquaintance. Let's play how we would normally. Okay. Now that we have peace and no more war, we're finally... What are you doing here? All right. Hello. Get off. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna go get some crops. I'll be right back. I need some crops.
Oh, you need some crops?
Yeah, we need some crops. We need a pumpkin. We need to fill our box with soil, please.
Soil and some pumpkins, okay.
No, just soil, please.
Okay.
I like. We're gonna kill them. Don't worry.
Here's your box of soil.
Thank you.
Speaking of growing stuff.
This world is so weird. Okay, bye everybody. I hope you enjoyed this little short fun video. And beep boop bop beep. Alright, we still have a little bit of time. So, this is Tortoise Mom. This is Turtle. This is Juvenile. This is Torty. Oh, and then we have Crotty, Tortellini, Axie, Gummy, Shelly, Goose Squiddy, bing, 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 bing. And then we Crotty. Oh, and then we just have kind of the useless ones. And then we have our warplane.
What?